YouTube, what's going on? It's the Sneaker Rehab. So, I'm finally back. I got a new exhaust system for my truck. It is a Carven exhaust system, a catback system, and it's one of the aggressive sounds. And you know me, I really wanted something loud, but nothing too crazy loud. Even though my Subaru is straight pipe, but for a daily driver, I just wanted just a little aggressive, but you know, nothing too crazy loud. And a big shout out to my girlfriend for giving me this awesome birthday present. I'm very, very thankful for that. And so right now I'm going to show you a little comparison between the stock exhaust and the Carven system. So right now let's do a little start of my stock exhaust. Let's get into that. Alright, so here we go. Here's the Carven exhaust. So I'm super excited for this install. So let's unbox it. Alright, so we're all good. We got the powder coated tips, all necessary pipes, the hardware. Got the 13mm hardware there, some of the tools for the kit, some gloves, got an impact gun, 13 and 15mm deep socket, some penetrating oil, 13mm wrench, ratchet, and some leverage just where we can get that those tight bolts out. So without further ado, let's get into this install. Alright, now previous owner, I guess, forgot to put the bolt back in. We put the bolt but not the nut. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, so we're going to have to spray some penetrating oil and hope for the best. An hour and a half later, it's all taken out. So let me just say something. I have no clue why, but the previous owner put red Loctite on the exhaust bolts. Red Loctite. I mean, it's not going anywhere. You put some torque on it and you're good. So, I'm a little annoyed, but it's all good. At least it's good. At least it's done. So, let's continue the process. Alright. Stock is out. Let's do it. Alright, this side is done. Gotta make some adjustments, obviously. See the nice Carven logo there. I don't know. And then, nice exit over here. Then exit outs over there. A little hard to see, but you're all set. Got the nice pipes in, with the clamp. Gotta just do some adjustments, but it is looking good. Now that sounds good. Alright, so now that you've seen a little overview of the install, the cold starts, time to give you guys a few revs and a little pull off. Fortunately my GoPro is kind of acting up right now, so I can't give, like, you know, a nice exhaust sound like I did with my Wrx, but hopefully this will do. But alright, let's do it. exhaust is awesome. It's not really droney, it's not, you know, overly loud. It sounds really, really good. As you can see here, we're just, you know, cruising along on the main road. You hear it a little bit in the background for sure, but nothing crazy. And obviously if I, you know, lay into it, opens up. I'm really, really happy with this setup. And that's all she wrote. I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Got a whole bunch of videos on the way. Obviously, car show season is approaching, so I'll have more videos in the events I'll be going to. But for right now, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at TheSneakerRehab. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.